X-Trade Mini Terminal. The X-Trade Mini Terminal is launched when you start xMetaTrader. Here you get access to Level 2 real-time bid and ask prices for selected instruments, which gives you an overview of the deep liquidity pools taken from many top-tier financial institutions. Mini Terminal can be used to execute quick trades for both buy and sell. You can change the displayed instrument by simply dragging and dropping the selected instrument from Market Watch to the chart section. You can have several windows with Mini Terminal opened at the same time. All you have to do is right-click on the selected instrument and from the list choose Chart window. Then just drag and drop X-Trade Mini Terminal from the Navigator section to the Chart section. Note that you can switch easily between opened windows. When you click on this icon, you will enter the Task and Setting panel. Here you are able to switch on or off the confirmations for quick buy, quick sell orders, and confirmation for closing all for symbols. You can also decide whether you want to switch on non-hedging mode. In the Settings panel, you are also able to undock chart with terminal or undock terminal alone. To come back to the previous view, you have to just redock them. X-Trade Mini Terminal allows you to see the order book and track the market depth. The market depth is split into those wanting to buy and those wanting to sell particular instruments. It's then further broken down into the prices and volumes that those buyers and sellers are willing to buy or sell at. Buyers are on the left and sellers are on the right. Notice that the buying price increases as we go from the bottom of the screen to the top. On the sell side, the price decreases from the bottom to the top. The buyers are moving closer to the sellers or the current market price, and vice versa. Both traders and investors look at market depth to examine the different prices and volumes, bid and ask volumes, of orders accumulating below and above the market bid and ask prices. Traders can take advantage of the knowledge gathered by observing what is happening within the order book and decide when to trade. There are many liquidity providers in the wholesale markets, which causes the spread to be very low. You can monitor the spreads also in X-Trade Mini Terminal. These are presented in the middle between sell and buy buttons. Let's execute an order. For example, if you are interested in Euro versus US dollar and want to purchase 20 lots of this instrument, examine the Market Watch and check how many lots you can buy for what price. If you click the blue button for buy and confirm if you have set such a command in the Settings panel, your transaction will be executed. The final price is a volume-weighted average. You can check the final price in your trade window. Additionally, you could observe your new position within the Mini Terminal. In X-Trade Mini Terminal, you can also add stop loss, take profit, and trailing stop. At the bottom of the window there are two buttons. One can be used to show the tick chart, and the other the volume chart. In X-Trade Mini Terminal, you can place the orders which are based on the percentage of your equity or balance. To do so, just click on this icon and follow the steps. First, choose the order type from the drop list. Then decide on the lot size. Here you can choose from fixed lot size, fixed cash risk, percentage of equity, or percentage of balance. Let's decide on the last one and set up that we want to purchase Euro versus US dollar for the amount that represents 10% of our balance. We can add stop loss, take profit, or trailing stop commands. There is also a comment section where you can add any comment you like to make this particular trade more detailed or easier to recognize. Now confirm your order. Note that it has been executed and you can see it in the Trade tab. By clicking on the number which represents the net position of all open transactions on this particular instrument, you can immediately close all your orders that were executed by the use of this instrument.